India and Pakistan, two countries with nuclear weapons, are closer to the brink of war than they've been in a long time. It all began after a deadly terrorist attack in the highly sensitive Kashmir region. This area has long been a source of conflict between the two nations. India has blamed Pakistan for supporting the attackers, calling it a direct act of terrorism. On the other hand, Pakistan has strongly denied these claims, suggesting instead that the attack may have been staged by India as a false flag operation to provoke retaliation. In recent hours, the situation has worsened. Reports are emerging of direct skirmishes between Indian and Pakistani forces along the line of control, the heavily militarized border that divides Indian-controlled and Pakistani-controlled parts of Kashmir. Though details are still coming in, these reports suggest a significant escalation from words to military action. This is especially alarming because both India and Pakistan are nuclear-armed countries. Any large-scale conflict between them carries the terrifying risk of nuclear confrontation. The world has seen them fight before, in 1947, 1965, 1971, and again briefly in 1999. But with the stakes now higher than ever, the potential consequences could be catastrophic, not just for South Asia, but for the entire planet. The next few hours and days will be critical. Diplomacy might still help pull both sides back from the edge, but right now, the risk of a major war is very real. Please like and share for upcoming updates.